Bonjour family, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to share with you my Amla hair mask. I decided to incorporate more Ayurvedic remedies, DIY oil masks on my hair regimen this year because I know they are very good to thicken the hair but also to promote hair growth and to create a scalp condition where it is very easy for your hair to grow but also to stay. As you see, for liquid I'm using my moringa tea. I really want to highlight this part. So I have moringa powder, so I made it as a tea. So if you're making this mask, you can always use water if you want to, but you can also use any type of tea you want. A sesame oil is very rich in biotin. I also want to highlight that. So guys, I will let you to watch the video. I will come later to show you the result. Now it's the time to apply it, and because I did not add too much conditioner in the mask, it make it a bit tricky to apply it because I didn't really want to load it with any other thing which is not the amla, and I don't really regret it, but keep that in mind if you're making that mask. So you can use another base if you want, maybe a bit of a moisturizing tip conditioner or a good conditioner, only if you want to. Like for me, I really don't mind. It take a bit of a time. This is why I just cut short this part of the video because it really was a challenge to apply it on my hair. But finally I managed to put it all over my scalp, which was very important because I wanted to touch my scalp and apply it all over my hair. So make sure like you don't disturb that hair because it feels a bit like a clay, like it's a clayish type of mask. So make sure you do not use any comb, you do not try to detangle to do anything, just place it and leave it. And actually remove it with water won't be that difficult. Okay, that's all I want to share with you. I have left the mask for 1 hour, and after that I rinse it with a lot of water, and I use my Joico moisture recovery uh, once, and I rinse it out, and I use this one, especially this one, because the balanced moisturizer from Afoji is a very lightweight one, and this one is quite heavy because it does have silicone in it. And frankly, the process, it was very messy. For the one who don't know, amla powder is not really what you can call a powder. Amla powder is just crushed amla fruit. So it's a bit coarse. It's not like smooth like fenugreek powder. So therefore it can be a bit tricky to apply. Like you can add a conditioner to the mask just to make it smooth and you can go to your hair. Let me show you something, guys. You can see my roots are getting so thick. I'm so happy finally my thickness, I'm having it back. I still have to work on the ends, but I can see in the future how everything will be nice and thick and voluminous. I absolutely love it. As I say, the process is a very messy process, but if I would have to do that mask again tomorrow, I would do it because Amla has so much great benefit when it comes to give volumes to moisturizing, and trust me, my hair is not that heavy. I was expecting it to be very heavy as I use a lot of oil, but it's not, you know. I absolutely love it, guys. I'm so happy. Like, I can see everything I'm doing is just working. It's working. Yes. And I keep doing my teas, my I have a special oil I've made, Ayurvedic oil. So this year, be ready. Like, I'll be using a lot of Ayurvedic recipe on my hair, because I'm trying to cut down the amount of product I'm buying from the store. So to use more natural products. So this is it, guys. You can see like this wash left my hair so voluminous, and my new growth actually feels very, very nice. And I haven't moisturized and sealed my hair yet. It just, I hair dry, like my special hair dry with my hand dryer. This is what I use to hair dry, and that's what we end up with. And already I stopped doing my washing quite in the afternoon, so it's already nighttime. I'm downstairs and trying to show you. You can have a bit of beads left on your hair, but I'm not worried about having beads because I'm home. I'm not going out and all sort like that. But make sure, like, when you rinse it out, like, you use your finger. Don't put a comb quick to your hair. Just use your finger. And if you have a nice conditioner, something very moisturizing, who has a lot of sleep in it, but it can be heavy, like I say. So guys, this was for today, and I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. Be part of the family, and I will see you very soon in another video.